What's up guys? Good evening! My name is Ranzel Leonido and may tatanong lang akong 3 questions about languages sa aking kaibigan na si Jason Wayne Avestruz. Let's go guys!
Huwag mong subukan, masisira ang buhay mo.
Hello, good evening kay Jason. May tatanong sana ako na 3 questions about languages. Okay, sige po. First question is, what is language?
Language is what we use to communicate. There are many types of language that we can use. We can use verbal and non-verbal.
Pwede ba ilayo mo sa akin to? Ayoko makita ito.
Second question, is language and dialect the same?
Yes, but the word language is more general.
Wow naman! Wow!
Third question, what is different between language and communication?
No! God, please, no! No!
So, language is the way of communication using verbal and non-verbal, while communication is to interchange and exchange information by two person or to